guys, it's your girl Zitachi. How are you all doing? Hope you're all doing great. For those of you who can't call me Zitachi, you can call me Z. Alright guys, so I don't know if you all can remember the girl BC, whom the mother married out when she was just 14 years. And now she turned 18. She does not want to go on with the marriage again. So I am here, and that day, how it ended that day, I had to follow she and the man to know where he's staying. So he's living here in this compound. And today I contacted the man. I told him, please, I want to go and see Bisola's mom, because Bisola is really not herself. Just the way you saw her, you guys saw her in the video, that's how she has been, and she has been very sad. So I want to go follow her to go see her mom today. So I'm here. I've been here over 30 minutes waiting for the man, because he said I shouldn't go inside. He doesn't want to let me in. I don't know why. I guess he has plenty wives and he doesn't want me to find out more things. Afternoon, sir. Again? It's okay, sir. Let's go, sir. Cut the camera later. Okay, guys.
Nobe. Nobe. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon. Welcome. Come and have your seat.
You want to see no shop? Go back to the shop.
Come here, one shirt. Come.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How is everything, ma'am?
It's fine.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm sorry. What happened?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. The reason why we are here is because your daughter here invited me, and she told me about what is bothering her. So I called your in-law here to discuss what she told me with him, but it did not end well.
Okay.
So after that day, which was yesterday, I had to.
Wait. I know me. I need to calm down. Continue.
Okay, so it did not end well. That yesterday I had to follow them to where they're staying. So I promised I was going to come today to meet up with them so that they will bring me to her mom, which is you.
Okay.
So please, ma, with due respect, ma, your daughter here said she wants to go back to school. So I want to know what you think, since you're her mother.
She says she wants to go back to school.
Yes, ma.
I never get you. Did you discuss this to your husband?
Yes. So. Your daughter is blessing me.
Wait, my in-law, calm down.
Sorry, ma. Please, ma, can you not yell at her, please?
Hey.
Okay, ma. Please, how old was she when you gave her out for marriage?
She was 14 years.
Okay, ma'am. So please, may I ask the reason why you gave her out at such a young age?
Okay, there's no problem. I will explain everything to you. You see, the time when I get pregnant,
Okay.
now I'm my husband.
Okay.
So this man is my husband friend. Now they take care of me and my pikin.
Okay.
Sure, you understand? And the man told me, say he loved my pikin, say he wants to marry my pikin, and I promised him, say if he don't reach 14 years, I go get married to him. That is why.
Sorry, ma, if I heard you right, this man here
is
your late husband's friend.
Yes.
So you married out your daughter to your late husband's friend?
Yes.
Because you want to use it to pay him back for the good thing he has been doing?
Yes. It's a good man.
Okay,
very
ma,
nice man.
Sorry, ma, please, I have a question.
Okay.
Why didn't you marry him instead of just giving out your daughter to an old man?
Osakwe, What do you say?
I'm sorry, ma. It's bad. I'm just trying to say it's bad. Why didn't you marry him instead?
Are you sure you know what they talk for mouth? What's your opinion?
I'm sorry, ma. I didn't mean to provoke you, but
He's
it's
the one that
bad.
want to destroy my house.
You are ready show for our body. What is show Larry and not me? Okay. You want to scatter my daughter husband house, Abi?
Ma, I'm not trying to scatter anyway. What I'm saying is that it's bad. I'm here telling you that your daughter wants to go back to school and you are saying she cannot go back to school.
She cannot go back!
As a mother, you don't want your daughter to go to school.
Excuse me, is it concern you? Waiting be your own. Huh? Oh, I want to say you be better person. I even buy shall say me sit down service. I don't know, say na rubbish that you want follow me talk. Waiting be all this gone. Kile shele. You come to my house. Is it because I said I tell you very well now? Now you want to tell me rubbish. If I say you get shishi where are you? Yes. Ramoke, surely got to call me. Since you have seen what you have done to a girl that you can't come to my house.
Ma, you don't have to shout.
Why no go shout?
You don't have to shout. Your child here wants to. Do you have another child? Is she the only one you have?
Give it here. Wait till be young.
Do you have another child, ma?
No.
Okay, you don't have.
Yes.
So the only one you just have.
Yes.
You sold her out.
No
to an old man. Do you please, ma? Do you know that he has other children? He has like 10 children, and they are not even her mates. Are you sure? Are you aware of it?
What is your problem? What is your
Lisa,
problem?
my problem is that she wants to go to school. Please, you should allow her to go to school.
Where are you when your father died? Now it's carrying you up and down to come and destroy my home.
Oh God! If you say I know, say na rubbish wey you wan come follow me talk here. I think say you be better person. I for not allow you to sit down. Hey, enough is enough. I don't want to hear anything from your mouth again. No one ask me any stupid question. Talk less of them my in-law. Na better person assistant so. Na better person. Wo?
How much did he pay you?
Mo law school. I'm going to school. I'm not interested with this man again. I'm not interested. I'm not interested.
See my life. At last, they don't use to follow my pikin to see as he stand on my head. The way you see, you don't leave later of a sister or the lori. Are you mad? Don't go. You don't give a bang, Jabi. You don't give a bang,
Ma, she has to go to school.
Yes.
Okay. Marriage is not by force.
Okay.
By day she was not up to 18. Now she's 18 and she has the full right to decide what she wants.
Okay.
Are you the one that want to take
I'm
over
sorry, sir. You
my
cannot force her to marry you.
You want to take over my son?
You can't. You cannot force her. It's not by force.
Who doesn't marry?
Marriage is not by force.
Marriage, not by force.
You two are people. They're very
Okay, I'm very.
yes.
Okay, we are very.
Your child.
Hey, what's it be your?
Your child.
What's it be your? They put your mouth put. What's it concern you? Come over my house. I don't need you.
She don't go marry this man.
She go marry.
She don't go marry this
She go
man.
marry him.
I'm going to get the police involved. I'll get human rights involved.
No
and you will see that you will take this child away from her. There's nothing you can do.
You can go anywhere you like. You can go anywhere you like. Anywhere you want to go. It's my wife.
I believe you know about human rights.
Yes, I know.
You know them.
Yes.
You know about them.
Wife.
Yes. Okay.
Woman cannot say you should not marry. Abba.
But I need calm down. You don't know our tradition. Woman rights, be whatever, be waiting to see one going on. Go! Then say what their tradition. Shall you understand? This is our tradition. There is nothing you can do.
So, ma, I don't care about your tradition.
Okay,
see, your tradition was when she was 18, when she was 14. Okay. Now she's 18 and she's of age. And she can choose what she wants. If she doesn't want to get married to this man, you cannot force her.
Are you the one you are going to choose for her?
To choose what? I'm not choosing. She told me. I did not contest her.
I'll pay the dowry. What do you want again?
Please, sir, you get
your dowry.
Just
come there to destroy my home.
Yes. She already get your child.
You want to destroy my house? I cannot take it easy with you. It's not done anywhere.
It's not done anywhere. Don't stop saying I paid your dowry. You did not buy her. You can't buy her.
I know me.
She's not good.
Face me. Shebi say you want follow me talk. Leave my in-law. Now me born my pikin. So I not concern you. I can do my pikin whatever I like. Wetin be your own?
Ma, why you no marry am?
You can't do me whatever you like. I can make decision by myself.
Okay.
I'm no longer interested again. I'm not interested.
So, I don't if you say, oh, I get them my take, I put them, see, I'll buy the woman. I beg, my darling, you don't do enough is enough. That's why you don't carry out that. I know what that. They're not the camera or see. With those stupid people, where you can't come and be, Ma, Kini.
Ma, can you just calm down?
I can't see.
She's your daughter. I want what is good for her, and you are her mother. You're supposed to be. You're supposed to be. Ma, please. I'm not here to fight you. Please, I'm not here to fight you.
See, as I get
you don't go school.
You don't go school. You don't go.
I'm going to school. I'm going to school. I'm going to school. I'm going to school. I'm not interested again. I will shut that down. I will shut that down. I'm not interested again. I'm not interested again.
Hey, she won't beat me. She won't beat me. What do you give her top?
You are going nowhere.
You see my pikin?
She wants money. This one way they do is bad.
You know bad.
What you are doing is wrong.
My wife. You are going back home. You are going back home. You are going back home.
You see what's that done?
You are going back home. You are going back home. You are going nowhere. You are going back home.
Okay, so you are after money.
Come on,
that's the way they give you money.
Hey, they give you food. They give us of money.
They give you food. They give you money.
Yes.
Why can't you just go out and work?
Is it concern you?
What are you using the money for?
What's it be your own?
Are you using to fix laptop?
Did I call you?
What are you using the money for?
I called you. It concern you. This one I have family issue now. What's it be your own?
It's no longer a family issue, ma. Because she's not interested in the marriage.
She's
and he's abusive towards her.
Yes, sir. We are not doing the right thing. We are not doing the right thing. I'm married now. I'm very down. What do you want again? How do you want to destroy my house? It cannot possible. Anywhere you see, it cannot possible. It cannot possible. It cannot destroy my home.
Marriage is not by force.
It's by force.
You cannot force her. You cannot force her. So how old are you?
59 years. Age is number. 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 My wife.
I'm going to school.
I'm
going to start not marrying.
You are not.
Please, I'm
You are going to marry him
again. Please,
leave me alone. You are going to marry him.
I'm not going anywhere.
I said you are going to marry him.
You are going back my home.
This man.
My in-law.
Now my in-law. By phone, by
You are going back home.
By
To go and take my son. Okay?
You are going to
You are going back
I'm
home.
not
To go and
going
take
to
my
your
son.
house again. I'm not going to your house again. I'm not going to your house again. I'm not going to your house again.
I trust you.
I know you. Ẹni sùúrù ẹ fẹ́ máa tí wọ́n lẹ̀ ẹ máa tí wọ́n àjọ máa mú gbẹ́lẹ̀ ní DJ YK. Ó yá continue. Ó yá leave my pikin for me.
I'm not going anywhere.
Thank you.
I'm not going anywhere.
And thank you for where you finish.
Go to your house.
Ó yá Adede.
You told us end.
Now.
Go to your house.
Yes.
Let me love you, Coco.
See.
Let me love you, Coco.
I go change that.
My evening is nothing you guys
I
can
don't
do.
like it.
As long as she's not in the marriage, she's not interested in the marriage. I have the video where she came to try to me. I made video of it, and I'm going to post it on my page so that a whole lot of people will see it. Wrong. What you did is wrong, man.
Okay.
Why don't you marry him? Why don't you marry him?
It's waiting with your own.
My own business. She won't go school. And she go.
Okay, she not go school. Now me call my pikin.
You sold your pikin. You sold your child because of money. You sold her. You carried her out at 18 years old. Compared to you. 18 years. You married an 18 years old child out.
Is it not good? Age is just a number now.
Age is just a number. Why don't you marry her? Why don't you marry him yourself?
I cannot marry her because he love my daughter. That is why I give it to him.
He love you now. Marry him. Marry him and leave her alone. Marry him and leave her alone.
I cannot marry him.
You marry him. Because she will not marry. It's not by force. It's by force.
It's by force.
It's by force. I'm telling you, go and marry your own children. You have your children.
It's not possible for you to destroy my home.
Yes.
If you doesn't have family, you cannot destroy my home.
You cannot marry her. She's not interested. So can't look for another wife. Marry her if you want to.
I've married her already.
He's already
Then I cannot marry her again.
Yes.
I'm not interested.
See, Okay. You
Ma, please leave her alone. You should leave her alone because you don't love her.
Yeah.
If you love her, you'll be looking for her.
Okay, you don't push my pikin for me. God, that makes for me. Oh, see your back. See. Nah, I will not take this one from you. Never in my life. See my pikin says I didn't say she said get up.
I'm not guys.
Are you ashamed of yourself?
Thank you.
Because of money.
How much
I'm not interested again.
You are interested.
I'm not interested. I want to go to school. I want to go to school. Please. I want to go back to school. Mommy, please. I want to go back to school.
You cannot go back to school.
Go back to my home.
Yes, better follow your husband.
Go back to my house.
Follow your husband.
Go back home.
I'm not going to house.
Follow herself.
How can you say this lady please? I take over my baby. Papa, I want to take her. I want to pursue her. I take over my house. It's not done. It's not done anywhere. It's not my baby at time. You have to take over my baby. What are you saying now?
You're just making noise.
What are you saying?
It's not working.
What are you saying?
I'm not here to even shout with you guys.
Shout,
I'm shouting it how you want.
Okay.
She's not marrying you. She's not marrying you.
He's already married. He's already getting married already.
Let's go.
You must follow him.
Let's go home.
I said,
Go back.
I'm not going anywhere.
You are going home.
Ma, please.
I'm not going anywhere.
You are go back home. Come and take out your baby. Let's
Now.
go back home. Let's go back home. Let's go back home.
See, I'm not going. Ma, this woman, take time, oh. Take time, sure. You better take time, oh. That's what the best thing for you.
Ma, you
cannot.
You cannot change it for me.
I will
What
change it
what
for
you
you.
did
I'm not going.
Let's go back home.
under 18.
Let's go back home.
According to you, it was traditional, Abi. So now she has grown. So she know what she wants.
Okay, she know what she wants.
Yes. And they see Yoruba people, they divorce. So if she want divorce, she will divorce.
Yes. Okay, now I understand. Say now you
Give me my wife.
from me, Abi. You come my house now. What come preach for me? Oh yeah, you must follow your husband. You must follow your husband.
She will not follow. You go and marry your mate.
This is my love. This is my
Go
love.
and marry your mate.
This is my love.
This is your love. Marry her.
You don't marry you.
But you don't marry me. You go and marry him. Go and marry him. Go and marry him. Go and marry him by yourself. You go and marry him by yourself. You go and marry yourself. Madam, go marry him. Mind yourself, don't use your hands.
You better mind your speech.
If you use your
You
hands,